Hi guys, it's not what you think it is right now. We're not making ice cream, whatever it is. We're just gonna make a fidget spinner challenge. We're gonna see who has a better fidget spinner. So we know what fidget spinners we have, but we're gonna see who has a better fidget spinner. Okay, me first. Emoji one. Got emoji fidget spinner. That's mine, right here. Here, your turn. You can't look. He got a silver fidget spinner. This one's new. We definitely bought this new, right? We got some new ones.
Yeah.
We don't know which one it is, but we got some new ones. So this is this. Oh yeah.
Spider-Man.
This is one of the new ones.
These
are one of the new ones I have. I don't know I had this one, but this is one of the new ones. There is. This is the rainbow fidget spinner
and the whole wide world.
Your turn. So he got a Captain America fidget spinner. He does. This one's the new one too. One of the new ones I have. But
It spins very well.
It can hypnotize you. So be careful. I'm not being serious, but it can hypnotize you. One time I got hypnotized by this. Well, maybe we will be giving these away. I don't know.
Don't get that one away.
Yeah.
Why?
So here, my turn.
I like this Captain America.
Oh, this is a Cowboys one. Cowboys. And this is how it looks when it spins. You better give this video a like if this video is good and you like one of these fidget spinners. Comment down below what fidget spinner you like. And subscribe if you like all of them. And like if you like only one. So this is how it looks like. Your turn. Go.
Here it comes.
Swing it and get it. Get one. Okay, we got an LED fidget spinner. So, LED. This is how it looks like. This all diamond, goes like that.
That's how it's
After
good.
this video, we're gonna do like all the fidget spinners spinning on the table.
Yeah.
So here, my turn. Okay, I got a sharp one. This one hurts too. It kind of hurts because over here, at the side of the corner in the middle, it hurts right here. So this is how it is. This one, this is how it spins. This is how it looks like. I mean, hear that? Oh, you can't? Your turn. Go. Pick one. Bluetooth. He got the Bluetooth fidget spinner. This is how it looks like whenever it Bluetooth. It spins fast.
Yeah. Fast.
So this is how it looks like. My turn. Okay, got one. Okay, I got this Captain America one.
That's
this is
new?
Yeah, this one's new, and the spider and the cowboys. And the other Captain America one, the shield.
And this one's new.
So this is how it looks
And
like.
the fidget cube's new.
Yeah, this is
A
better.
better.
Captain America one. It's not one of the better ones, but this will spend forever, kind of forever. This is how it looks like.
And this one, it looks cool.
Okay, stop. Put it. Just put it. Okay, this is mine. Go. Your turn. Here. Go. Get that. You can't look in. You can't look. LED. Stop. Okay. So this is how it looks like to his. This is his fidget spinner. This is how it looks like yours.
Oh.
And this.
It glows.
Yeah, I'm just stopping it with my pinky behind it. So
It's not slow.
yeah, it's not slow. I'm stopping it.
And that was my baby brother.
Yeah, he's messy.
He's messy.
He's right here playing with all the fidget. Okay,
Let's put all the fidget spinners.
my turn.